Alright, now what do we do when we see division in some kind of an equation? Well, we know that multiplication undoes division, so pretty simple, right? We're just going to multiply both sides by 9. At this point, this thing should feel like just so snappy, so happening in your brain, right? This will simplify, that'll simplify. You know what's going on, doing and undoing, all that stuff, doing the same thing to both sides, all that stuff. You got this, right? But here's the key. You're not usually going to see stuff written out like this. It's not going to have, like, this little division symbol is pretty uncommon after, well, certainly middle school, high school. It's not very common, alright? So, let's look at how you are going to see it. It's going to look a little more something like this, right? So you have some kind of a variable. We're going to solve for x. And then you're going to have a fraction. Yes, I know, nobody likes fractions, but guess what? You guys are going to love fractions because you got to do them all the time, all day long, always. So, similar process here. All this means is x divided by 11. So what happened was divide by 11, and in order to undo divide by 11, we have to do times 11. So we're going to multiply by 11. We're going to do it to both sides, all the same stuff, pretty standard, right? Multiply by 11, that's going to get rid of that 11, because divide by 11 is undone by times 11. So, multiplying both sides by 11, that's the process that we're doing over here. That's the words for it. Multiply both sides by 11, yeah? And that'll get you solving for x. Okay, next one, similar thing. T divided by 6 equals 73. How are we going to undo that division? You tell me, think of it in your head. And hopefully you got it right. We are going to multiply both sides by 6, right? So whatever's down here in the denominator, that's the same thing as saying divided by 6. Divide by 6 is undone by times 6. This is the idea. Let's take this idea and carry it with us into the next practice problems.